Come here. What did you just eat? What was it? Off you go. Beautiful evening here in Waiuku. Gonna start the countdown soon to when we leave for our Northland road trip, and won't be coming back to Waiuku. It's going to be a bit sad saying goodbye to our church and friends and family for the foreseeable future. In the near future we're going to be South Island based, down with my family down there. Well, it was a beautiful day, but I think it's about to turn nasty. Dude, wasn't kidding. Had to go fix the gate because just so I didn't lock it properly. I got caught in that.
What?
Look at me! It's actual raining, man.
Oh, Mom.
Guess I don't need a shower now.
You might need new clothes.
Fortunately, in our bathroom, we've got a little drying rack above the shower. So if we do get caught in the rain, we can hang up our wet jackets and clothes. Time for a hot drink because it's cold out there. I hope the wind doesn't pick up and it blows on you guys.
Oh, no.
So this morning we had to put the heater on because it was a bit cold. There's lots of snow falling down south. But our diesel heater warms us up nicely, eh kids? Yeah. We're going to go bake Summer's birthday cake today, and we're going to go to jump in Takaknini tomorrow with some friends. So I made Summer's cake at the sister-in-law's place last night, and man, I was here till like 11:30 p.m. So tired. Yeah, it just didn't work. I had to redo the body of one of these dogs like 3 times, and yeah, just don't look too closely at it. And this is off your one of your favourite shows, Puppy Dog Pals or whatever it's called. Bingo and Wally? No, Bingo and Rolly.
Hello, we're just at the park somewhere. And it's Sam's birthday. We just finished a jump. It was really fun and tiring. Just recording. And yeah, that's us with the chick down with our friends. They'll play with frisbee. Nerf gun. Alright, shoot it in the sky. It's really beautiful, really cold and windy. And that's good after I've been in jump for ages. Getting hot. Happy birthday, dear Summer. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Yeah!
Woo!
That is the prettiest thing I've ever seen.
Thank you. I made it myself.
Picture? cool. It looks like a sunset.
Show the GoPro.
Happy birthday, Summer. I hope that you are having a good day. Love, Saskia.
Happy birthday, Summer. Praying God's favor and blessing you. Love lots, Linux and Linux.
Okay.